Resume. Oops. Sorry. I didn't mean to make you jump, fellas.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry, fellas. I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. There's nothing wrong. It sort of runs in the belly, or jumps in the belly, depending on which way you came from.
What do you want?
What I want? I don't know.
Go ahead. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
I never said you were ugly.
There, I hope you feel better.
Whoa. Wait a minute. Do you mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, fellas. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. I mean, if you were talking ugly, they don't come aesthetically challenged in this. I know what your problem is.
What?
You've been praising yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got it down in the mouth. Okay, I'm getting up there. Come on. Give us a smile. Oh.
I want to be left alone.
Now hold on just a doggone minute there. That's just downright antisocial. I got a hue in my throat. I know how you feel. But you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly myself, and it's been downhill ever since. No, really. I get up with compliments a lot. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and then one day someone will come along and kiss me, and I can release my true inner beauty. And then I say, nah, get real. Who wants to snog a frog? Come on. You know what your trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue.
What did you say?
That's all. It's a question of taste. But you know, one day, mark my words, one day, ugly will be in. Here it comes. If you just sit down on your lily pad, each silly pad will pass. Then those through sporty seasons look will all play on their ass. Can't remember what it's called. Respected in something old. Just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee. Because out there, someone's gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you. What's that wrong? Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the flora, someone's gonna fall for you and you. Hey, look a bit drastic. Rough, you're a classic in my pump. If this whole wrong, no movie, time had a wake up call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Boys and all, pelicans. When you think you have a fall. One day it will be us. It will be us. The flavor of the month. What the hell am I saying? This is wrong.
Goodbye, good luck. And if you ever find yourself with a doctor, do call in. I'd love you to be my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm. You're cheerful. See you. Peace out!